Hey, my name is Jane. I am young and I will enjoy myself before I get entangled with any man. For now, I will use them. I will focus on getting money and fun from them, calling all of them sweetheart so they can pay my bills. I beg, my level is more than doing girlfriend for only one guy. Where is the fun in that? Hey Funky Jane, how far now? Babe, I am vibing a lot. Omo, I have an idea in my head like this that I need to run. Oh yeah, tell us. Let's run it together. I need to make some cool cash and my birthday is just next week. Throw party now, tell all those guys who call you sweetheart, they will be very happy to sponsor it since they are in love. Wow, better advice. Hey sweetheart, my birthday is next week. To prove your love for me, I need $2,000 for my party.
2,000 what?
It's not just a party, it's special.
Where am I supposed to see that just for a party?
Well, that means you don't love me. 2,000 or nothing between us again.
Okay, no problem. Paste your hazard. Let me run it sharp. Omo, you are so baked. Is that your girlfriend that you told your mom about? Yes, now. What's wrong with her? Ha, this one will finish you very soon.
My love, my real guy, my birthday is next week. I need your help. Please don't say no. I know you are rich.
Okay, what do you need?
My love, I need $2,000 for my birthday party and I want your rich friends to come too.
Bring the girls too. Let's flex them high. That girl thinks she's smart. I know she has other guys. And me too, I'm just using her to refresh myself. Sharp guy. Nah so.
Boss, how is your wife and children?
They are fine, but I love you more than all of them. Just that you promised to play with me today and you came late.
Boss, I will play with you, but I have a challenge.
Which challenge? Let's talk about it because you are sleeping here tonight.
Boss, my birthday is next week and I need $2,000 for the party.
Abba, just 2,000. I'll give you $3,000, but you will spend 2 nights with me.
Hey, that's my correct boss. I am glad to be top secretary at work.
Let no one hear in the office, oh.
My mouth is sealed. You will enjoy Thai tonight.
I trust you. Money or nothing, thank God I'm rich for girls like you.
Haba, am I a prostitute? Senator, you don't even have my time these days, Haba.
Sorry, our election is close and we are all very busy. How are you? Kai, I miss you.
Senator, my birthday is next week and I need some money.
Okay, meet my PA, but just know that I need a foursome with you and your friends.
Foursome? You are not even afraid of your health.
Afraid? See this girl. Me that I am using you people for power. Let's dance, birthday girl. After I sponsor the birthday, who is the useless old man dancing with you?
Stop it! What are you doing? Omo, yesterday night was bloody. Thank God I did not die. That's what he sponsors 10 boyfriends and even your special boo was there too. I didn't invite my boo. I was reserving him for marriage. I don't know why he came. Omo, don't cast though. The guy is very angry. I beg let him get out. I can get any guy I want. I am hot right now. In fact, I'm discarding all those men, catching new ones. Babe, I fear you. Well, get well soon. At least I made plenty money. Wow. Move on to the next. Let me enjoy before marriage come. Omo, it's better to do the right things early. You can't be young forever. I thought I should enjoy more. Now, the men don't even want me again because I am 40. I made some money, but now I really desire marriage. And now no man is even seeing me again. Instead, they are going for those 19-year-old girls. As a sharp babe, I beg, let me enter church. I learn you can meet good men there. Let me try my luck. Abi, what do you think? Oh, God help, I'm now in the church. Truly, there are good men here, but the problem is that the good men are busy looking for the good and young ladies. I can turn back the hands of time. I will just pick a man, build a healthy relationship and be happy together. But is it not too late now? Young girls, let me give you some advice about relationships.
You think we don't know your story? You know a lot about relationships. Why are you not married?
Please! You know,